Okay, so if you are scheduling your posts in Facebook group, you are going to want to download all the graphics and the videos. If you're doing Visly, you don't have to download all of these, but you're going to want to download a couple of them. So you're going to want to download, if you're doing Visly, you want to download the cover photos that you want to use, and then you want to download the story content, some of the thank yous, and you are also going to want to download the graphic for the invite. And then I think the post party has the prize winner in it. Yes, right here. So you're going to want to download this if you have one, or this if you have two. So if you are scheduling your posts, you're going to want to download all of these. So to keep them really organized, if you just click on one and you right click and you click download, it's going to download, I'll just do it for you. So it's going to download this whole file as a zip, and so it's going to label it and keep them all together. If you go in, you can see that they all have a name on them. When you download it that way I just showed you, it's going to keep all of these nice names to them, versus if you just click on one graphic and then go over here and download it, it doesn't download it real nicely. So I would definitely recommend just downloading it as the file. Then you are going to go to this document on how to download the videos, because the videos are not in Google Doc because they're large and there's limited space. So hopefully you're on your computer to download them. So you're going to click this drop box, and there is some videos that you can download. So we're just going to click on one of them, and then you just hit this little download button. Direct download. And there it goes. So it does take a little bit of time to download, but it will pop up and you can save it to your desktop when you're done. And then I can go back and I can just download those other two. Pretty simple. But that document, just again, is in the Read the Rainbow template